previous class? What did you learn in previous class? Place values. So place values before only we learned. So we learned expanded form, expanded and standard forms in previous class. Expanded and standard form in previous class. So how to write expanded form? By using the place values. So what is the expanded form of this number? What is the expanded form of this number? 20,000. Yes. 20,000 plus 3,000 plus next 100 plus 20 plus 4. So 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 4. Okay, this is the expanded form. Next, so what is the standard form for this number? 40,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 3. So to write the standard form, we have to write the place values. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. How many 10,000s are there here? How many 10,000s are there? 40,000 means how many 10,000s? 4. So 4 in 10,000s place. How many thousands are there? There is no thousands. So what we should write in thousands place? Can we write 9 in thousands place? No. Yes. What we should write in thousands place? 0. Very good. 40,000. How many hundreds are there? 900. How many tens are there? 2 tens. And how many ones are there? 3 ones. So it is nothing but 40,923. It is nothing but 40,923. Understood? Now today we are going to learn less than and greater than. Comparing the numbers. Comparisons. Compare the following numbers. So to compare the numbers, we have to use symbols. So do you know what are the symbols we are using to compare numbers? There are 3 symbols. Understood? To compare numbers or whatever, to compare the numbers, we have to use 3 symbols. So one is less than, and next one is greater than, and one more symbol is equal. Understood? If 2 numbers are there, for example 36 and 49. 36 and 49. If you take 2 numbers or 2 quantities or whatever it may be, if you take 2, so either first one is smaller than the second one, or first one is greater than the second one, or both are equal. Similarly, in these numbers also, if we compare these numbers, either one number is smaller than the another number, or greater than the another number, or equal to the another number. Understood? So to show, we have to use these 3 symbols. So first symbol is, what is the first symbol? This is less than. Less than symbol. This is less than symbol. What is the first letter in less than? L, no? And less than symbol also like that only. Okay, this is L. And the symbol of less than is also like L only. Understood? So this is L. So they are changed like this. This is the symbol of less than. And another next symbol is greater than. Greater than. Greater than symbol. So reverse. Is open this side and this is open in the opposite side. And next last symbol is equal. Equal to. Understood? We have three symbols: less than, greater than and equal to. Okay? So when we should use less than symbol or greater than symbol or equal symbol? So now I will show how to use that symbols and where to use that symbols. Here I gave two numbers. So first number is 3791 and another number is 17251. So in these two numbers, compare first number with second number. If either first number is smaller, we have to use less than symbol. Understood? If the first number is smaller, we have to use less than symbol. If first number is greater, the first number is greater, then we have to use greater than symbol. In these numbers, first number is less or greater than second number? Less or greater than second number? See here, to compare the numbers, first we have to count number of digits. How many digits are there here? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So it is 4 digit number. And here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. So it is 5 digit number. Understood? This is 4 digit number and this is 5 digit number. Now 4 digit number is always less than the 5 digit number. It means 3791 is smaller or greater than 17251? Is it smaller or greater? Less number of digits in this number, no? Less number of digits are there, no? So less number of digits means it is smaller than this number. So what is the symbol? If first number is smaller, I told to use which symbol? Less than symbol or greater than symbol? Less than symbol. So now can you read? 3791 is less than 17251. Understood? To compare the numbers, either 2 numbers or 3 numbers or 5 numbers or any number of numbers, first we have to count number of digits. Understood? First we have to count number of digits. In which number less number of digits are there, it is smallest number. In which number more number of digits are there, that is greatest number. Sometimes same number of digits say 26,423 and 42,000, 14,296. Here how many digits are there in first number? 5 digits. And in second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same number of digits, 5 digit, 5 digit. In both the numbers, same number of digits are there. Same number of digits are there means what we should do? We have to put equal symbol or we have to do another comparison. Is there any other? Yes. So if same number of digits in both the numbers, thousands place. And in second number 1 in 10,000 place. In these two, which one is 2 is less or greater than 1? 2 is less or greater than 1? Greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. So 2, if 2 is greater than 1, then 26,423 is greater than 14,296 because it is 2 in 10,000 place and 1 in 10,000 place. So 2 is greater than 1, because of that 26,423 is greater than 14,296. Understood? 14,296. So we have to write greater than symbol because first number is greater. Understood? And next, $43,723 and 43,732. Now compare these two numbers, put either less than, greater than or equal symbol. So which is the suitable symbol for these two numbers? So to compare the numbers, first what we should do? First we have to count the number of digits. So how many digits are there here? How many digits are there? 5. So it is 5-digit number. And here and there also 5 digits. This is also a 5-digit number. Same number of digits in two numbers. These two numbers are same number of digits. So compare the digits from highest place value. So what is the highest place value? 10,000s. Here how many 10,000s are there? 4. And here also 4 10,000s. Next 4 both are same. So 10,000s are same. So go for thousands place. If 10,000s place digits are same, then we have to compare thousands place digit. Next digit. So 3. Again thousands place digits also same. So if thousands place digits also same, then we have to compare hundreds place digits. So 7. Both are same. Here 700s are there and here also 700s. Both are same. So again if it is same, then we have to compare the next place. Tens place. So in tens place, here 2 tens are there and 3 tens are there. Different digits are there. So if different digits means, then we can find which is smaller and which is greater. So 2 is smaller or greater than 3? 2 is greater than or smaller than 3? Smaller than 3. So 2 is smaller. That means 43,723 is smaller or greater than 43,732? Smaller. So what is the symbol of, if the first number is smaller, which symbol we have to use? Less than symbol. Very good. That's all. Understood? And next, 25,124, 25,124. Now this is 5-digit number and this is also a 5-digit number. Both are 5-digit numbers. Now compare from 10,000 place. 2, same. 5 also same. 1 is also same. Next 2, same. 4, same. Same number of digits are there and each and every digit is same. Understood? So both the numbers are equal. So equal means is equal to symbol. 25,124 is equal to 25,124. Now here three numbers are there. 36,924, 6,343 and 23,425. So in these, which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? Greatest number is, to find the greatest number, what we have to do? So we should arrange in first we should count the number of digits. Understood? How many digits in first number? 5 digits. And in second number, how many digits are there in second number? 4 digits. And in third number, 5 digits. So this is 5 digit number, 4 digit number and 5 digit number. Okay. So this is 5 digit number and this is also a 5 digit number. From these two digits we have to find the greatest number. Which is the greatest number in that? So to find the greatest number, what we have to do? Compare the digit which is in highest place value. Yes. So 3 and this is 2. 3, 2. In 3 and 2, which is more greater? Which is greater? 3 or 2? Yes. 3 is greater than 2. That means this is the greatest number. So what is the greatest number? 36,924. In these three numbers, which one is greater? 36,924. Right. Which is the smallest number in the three numbers? In these three numbers, which is the smallest? Already it is greater number. We learned it is greater number. From these two numbers, which one is smaller? This is 4 digit number and this is 5 digit number. So which is smaller, 4 digit number or 5 digit number? Yes, 4 digit number is smaller than the 5 digit number. Remember, in which number less number of digits are there, that is the smallest number. In which number more number of, if you compare 2 or 3 or any number of numbers, in which number more number of digits are there, that is the greatest number. So we are comparing these two. In these two numbers, here in this number 4 digits are there and in this number 5 digits are there. So 4 digit number is always less than the 5 digit number. So 6,343 is smaller than remaining two. Understood? Now one more question. Now you have to find the smallest and greatest number from these numbers. Okay. So first find out the greatest number. To find either greatest number or smallest number, first we have to count the number of digits. How many digits in first number? How many digit number it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 5 digits are there. And in second number, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. It is also a 5 digit number. And next here, how many digits are there? 5 digits. So this is also a 5 digit number. Now, if all the numbers are 5 digit numbers, then how to find the greatest and smallest numbers? What we should do? So we have to check the digits which is in highest place value. See here, 10,000 is 10,000s are there, and here also 2 10,000s are there. And next 3, 3, 3. This is also same. 10,000s place digits and 1000s place digits are same. So we have to compare hundreds place digits. 4 in hundreds place, 6 in hundreds place, and 6 in hundreds place. 4, 6, 6. So these two are same. These two same. And this is smaller than this. So 23,456 is the smallest number. So what is the smallest number? 23,456. Now from these two numbers we have to find which is greater and which is smaller. Okay? This is 6, 6. Both are same. So compare next digit 5, 4. In 5 and 4 which is more? Which is greater, 5 or 4? 5 is greater than 4. So which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? 23,654. Understood? So remember to compare the numbers, either 2 numbers or 3 numbers or any numbers. First we have to count number of digits. In which number less number of digits? Here 5 digit, 4 digit, 5 digits are there now. So in which number less number of digits are there? That is the smallest number. In which number more number of digits are there? That is the greatest number. Sometimes same number of digits in all the given numbers. Then we have to compare the digits from highest place value. So 2, 2, 2. Same. So compare the next digit. 3, 3, 3. Same. So compare the next digit. 4, 6, 6. 4 is less than 6. So this is smaller. So we got the smallest number. Now from these two numbers we have to find the greatest number. So 6, 6 same now. So compare next digit 5, 4. So which is more? 5 or 4? 5 is greater than 4. So 23,654 is greatest number. Understood? Yes. And today's homework, part, put less than, greater than or equal. First question. And 9,854. Next. $48,362. 48,362. Next. 19,238. 19,283. Okay. And next, find greatest and smallest numbers. Greatest and smallest numbers. $23,296, 9,453, and 23. Okay, and today's tables